Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sayyid Shahneja, your EVS teacher, and we are on the 7th unit, and the name of the unit is Food and Nutrition. So what had we learned in the earlier videos? We had learned about nutrition in the food. In the food we eat, the food should be nutritious. The food we eat should be nutritious. It should have all the required food constituents that are necessary for the growth and building up of our body. So we had seen various food stuffs that we include in our diet, and the food constituents which are necessary for our body. We had seen them as well. So we are going to study how to preserve the nourishment in food ingredients. So let's get started. Preserving the nourishment in food ingredients, matlab, what does it mean? It means how to preserve the vitamins, calcium, proteins, zinc, iron present in the food without getting it wasted. मतलब ये चीज़ें waste ना हो. Nourishment, nourishing items or nourishing constituents in the food shouldn't get wasted while we cook them. So how can we preserve it? How can we protect our nutrients from getting it wasted? So we'll see this. While preparing food items, some of the constituents in the foodstuffs can get destroyed. We can take the following precautions to avoid that. What is said here is while cooking, some of the food constituents get destroyed. So how can we protect them? We will follow these steps in order to protect or take precautions to avoid wastage of constituents of food. So first one is, when cooking food, add only as much water as is required or necessary. While cooking a sabzi or salan or anything like in which water is added, you add only that much water that is needed. Suppose for boiling dal or pulse, you should add only that much water that is required for boiling the dal. ज़्यादा पानी नहीं डालना चाहिए. ज़्यादा डालेंगे तो you have to cook it for longer time, जिसकी वजह से उसके nutrients lost हो जाएंगे, lose हो जाएंगे. तो हमें उतना ही पानी डालना चाहिए जितना necessary है. Use a pressure cooker or cover the food with the lid while cooking it. What is said here? Use a pressure cooker, मतलब कुकर यूज़ करें या फिर खाना बनाते टाइम जो पॉट में हम बना रहे हैं वो पॉट को कवर करें विद अ लीड और अ ढक्कन. Why? Because it helps to cook the food fast without letting the nutrients getting lost. Now the next one, sprout pulses before using them. मतलब we should sprout the pulses. You have eaten moat को कैसे sprouts रहते हैं? So they are saying that we should sprout the pulses. मतलब दालों को sprouts आने दें, then use it, because sprouts are very healthy and nutritious for our body. Sprout pulses before using them. Use them while the sprouts are still small. Do not wait for them to grow long. जब उसकी कोम छोटे छोटे होते हैं, use them at that time only without letting them grow very long. मतलब sprouts को बहुत long नहीं करना है. You have to keep them small only and use it for cooking and for eating. Use whole grain flour without sifting. मतलब you don't have to sift the flour while making chapati or paratha or bhakri. Why? Because it is very nutritious. आटे को छान के नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए, डायरेक्ट यूज़ करना चाहिए विदाउट सिफ्टिंग. सिफ्टिंग मतलब आटा जब हम छानते ना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सिफ्टिंग. सो होल ग्रेन फ्लावर शुड बी यूज, मतलब डायरेक्ट आटा यूज़ करना चाहिए विदाउट सिफ्टिंग और विदाउट छाने हुए यूज़ करना चाहिए. Eat fruits like chicos, figs, grapes, apples along with their skins. We should eat fruits without removing their skins, because the skins of the fruits are very nutritious. They have lots of proteins and calcium in the skins of the food. So we should eat without removing the skin. Which fruit should we eat without removing the skin? Chicos, everyone knows. Figs, मतलब अंजीर जो कच्चे अंजीर आते हैं. Grapes, अंगूर, apples along with their skins. We should not remove their skins while eating. Besides, Vegetables like carrots, radishes, cucumbers, beetroot should be eaten raw in the form of salads. मतलब vegetables like carrots, radish मतलब I have told you the meaning of radish. It means मूली, cucumber और beetroot should be eaten raw, कच्चा खाना चाहिए in the form of salad. इसका salad बना के खाना चाहिए because carrot is very good for our eyes. Beetroot is very good for increasing our blood. So it should be eaten raw. Whenever possible, mix 2 or 3 foodstuffs in a dish. मतलब let's see. For example, add onions and potatoes to usal. Add drumsticks to curries. Add some soaked dals while cooking vegetables. Why should we eat 2 or 3 foodstuffs in a single dish? Why? Because we get different nutrients from different foodstuffs. So in order to get more nutrients, we should mix the vegetables or mix the dal while in the vegetables while cooking them. So when we make usal of suppose like sabudana usal, सबने खाया होगा, or it's called sabudana khichdi also. So we should add onion and potatoes to it. Why? Because we will get nutrients from onion and potatoes, and it will increase the nutrition value of the dish. So we should add 2 or more 3 vegetables to it. Add drumsticks to curries. हम जब curries बनाते हैं या सालन बनाते हैं, we should add drumsticks to it. Add some soaked dals while cooking vegetables. Suppose you are cooking cabbage, you can add dal to it because चने की दाल add कर सकते हो उसमें. So it increases the nutritious value of the food. A tongue for tasting. As usual, we had all gathered in the garden in the evening. So it's an evening time and everyone has gathered in the garden. Monica Tai said, "Shall I tell you something funny about a tongue?" What is she saying? Shall I tell something funny about a tongue? Something funny about a tongue? Okay, let's see. As we drew closer to her, she said, "How do we make our water sweet without sugar? Just try this. Chew an amla well and drink water right after that. The water tastes sweet." So what is Monica Tai saying? That how can we make water taste sweet? मतलब पानी को मीठा कैसे बना सकते without adding sugar to it? Can we do it without adding sugar to it? No, but we can do it with the help of eating an amla. जैसे हम आंवला भी बोलते हैं. When you eat it first and drink water over it, it will taste sweet. So what do you have to do? First you have to chew an amla. पहले आंवला खाओ, then after that drink water on it. The water tastes sweet. Everyone may have done this. Really, I never knew this. Who said this? Mary said this. Really, I never knew this. Then Balu said, "We learned last year that our tongue helps us to taste things, but how does only one tongue tell us all the different tastes?" What did Balu say? Balu said, "We learned last year that our tongue helps to taste different things." Everyone knows that अपना जो ज़बान होती है हमें वो different taste. So we can eat तीखा also, we can eat sweet also, we can eat sour also, खट्टा भी खा सकते हैं. वो हमें taste किससे पता चलता है? हमारी tongue से. तो what is she saying? How can a single tongue tell us different tastes? हमें इतने सारे टेस्ट डिफरेंट कैसे पता चलता है? डिफरेंट टेस्ट कैसे पता चलते हैं? क्योंकि हमें तो एक ही ज़बान होती है. सुभाष पाइप्ड अप मतलब स्पोक आउट और स्पोक अप. सुभाष स्पोक अप. So do you want a different tongue for every taste? What is she saying? Do you want a different tongue for every taste? How is it possible? How can a single mouth hold so many tongues? Is it possible? No. That made everyone laugh. Of course, everyone will laugh over this. So Monica Tai said, "Balu, we have only 2 eyes. And how many colors do we see with them?" Exactly. We have only 2 eyes and we see so many colors with our eyes. So one tongue can also tell us many tastes. जैसे हम आँखों से different colors देख सकते हैं, वैसे ही हमारी tongue से different taste का पता भी चलता है. Now observe this. Wash your mouth, clean your tongue, and stand in front of the mirror. Stick your tongue out and look at it carefully. What do you have to do? First you have to wash your mouth and clean your tongue with the brush. Then stand in front of the mirror. आईने के सामने खड़ा है ना आपको. And you have to take out your tongue. You have to stick out your tongue and look at it carefully. Look in the picture how the boy is doing that. You will see tiny picks on the tongue. आप क्या देखेंगे? आपकी tongue पे छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं, picks on the tongue. They are called taste buds. What are the picks called? They are called taste buds. These taste buds tell us the different tastes. So how do we get to know the different tastes? How can we taste how can we taste the different food items? Because of this taste buds. The tiny picks on the tongue are called taste buds. Now here is an experiment you have to do. Let us know the different tastes. Let us see how the tongue tells us the different tastes. Collect the following things. What do you have to do? You have to collect the following things. Sugar candy, any candy of sugar or jaggery. Salt, tamarind or lemon. Fenugreek methi seed. Fenugreek methi के seeds yellow दाने होते हैं. That are called methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. A piece of an amla. Now taste each of these things. आपको ये सारी चीज़ें टेस्ट करनी है. After tasting each one, rinse your mouth with water. First you have to taste jaggery or sugar candy. Then after tasting, you clean your mouth with water. आपको clean करना है. You have to wash rinse your mouth with water. Then after tasting salt, you have to again rinse your mouth. Then after tasting tamarind, you have to again rinse your mouth. Likewise, you have to do it with every ingredient. So while doing this, you wait for 2 minutes in between. Copy the following table in your notebook and complete it. What do you have to do? You have to taste and wash every time while tasting. And you have to complete the following table. So number is given, foodstuff you have to that you are tasting is given, and how does it taste? You have to write it down. Suppose sugar and candy. How does it taste? It tastes sweet. Salt. How does it taste? It is salty. Tamarind or lemonade. How does it taste? Sour. फेनुग्रीक और मेथी सीड्स. हाउ डज इट टेस्ट? बिटर. बहुत कड़ू होता है. बिटर. अ पीस ऑफ एन आमलेट. हाउ डज इट टेस्ट? इट टेस्ट सार टू, एंड व्हेन यू ड्रिंक वाटर ऑफ इट विल टेस्ट स्वीट. So you have to complete all the food items. See, they are given in the picture. Now you have to play a game. 4 or 5 of you can play this game together. One person is the it. What is the name of the person given? It. Each one of the other tells it the name of a foodstuff. So what you have to do is, for example, raw mango, green chili, chutney, rock, a bundi, laddu, khari, bundi, a chiku, a medicine. So what do you have to do? You have to name a person as it, and you have to do the acting of the food items given below. You have to do the acting, mimicking करना आपको. The child who is it must show the miming what it tastes like. Suppose the first one was raw mango. How is the taste of raw mango? Sour. तो आपको उसकी acting करके बताना है. Who? The it person. It को करना है ये acting, and take turns it to be it. When everyone has had a turn of being it, the game is finished. मतलब आप सबका टर्न आना चाहिए. What you have to do? You make a group of 5 people. Okay? एक को raw mango दे दो, एक को salt दे दो, एक को chili दे दो, एक को rock salt, अब बूंदी लड्डू. सबको different food items दे दो. Then you have to do the acting of the taste of the food item. And the other people have to guess the name of the food item from it. Did you understand the game? इसको dumb shares भी बोलते हैं. So in our common language we call it dumb shares. So you have to do it at your home. You can do it even with your parents also. So what did we learn in the lesson? What we have learned is our diet includes many different food items. We had studied that our diet includes many different food items. There's great variety in the food stuff we use to prepare different dishes. Exactly, there's a great variety in the food stuff we use to prepare different dishes. The food constituents that meet our food related needs are present in this food stuff in different proportions. We had seen that the food concepts that are required for our body are present in the foods of we eat. Our food related needs are met in our body gets all these food constituents in the right quantity. That whatever food, whatever requirements or whatever nourishment our body requires, we get it from the food constituents we eat. Our taste buds help us to know the different tastes. The taste buds on our tongue help us to know the different tastes. So always remember one thing. Our diet should include all kinds of food stuff. We should not say मैं ये नहीं खाती हूँ, मैं वो नहीं खाती हूँ. We should eat every type of food stuff because it will help our body to grow in a better way and make us healthy. And I hope you have understood what I have taught you in this lesson. Jazakallah khairan for listening me. Here I am signing off.